give any clip a cinematic look just like this. This video is sponsored by AE Juice, so please check the plugins out. So first you have to do is slow the clip down to 80%. And then apply a zoom out to the entire duration of the clip. And then import these presets from this video. If I'm taking something from someone, I gotta be honest and give credits to them. So yeah, watch this video to how to import and all these plugins, and then apply any one of these suitable color presets and do some basic adjustments to make it look good. And finally, you can apply black bars on the top and bottom with the crop effect. And yeah, here you go. You have a really nice cinematic look to your clip.